Prime Minister's office, the PMO, gets a new address today with Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiling the name Seva Teerth for the new building complex housing the PMO, the National Security Council Secretariat and Cabinet Secretariat, marking a major overhaul of India's administrative infrastructure. The wall of the Seva Teerth adorns the motto Nagriko Devo Bhava, that is, citizens akin to God. Seva Teerth was inaugurated on February 13 as the date carries a historic significance as it marks 95 years of New Delhi being formally inaugurated as India's modern capital on February 13, 1931. On the occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also released a Rs 100 commemorative coin. Later, Prime Minister Modi also inaugurated Kartavya Bhavan 1 and 2, which will accommodate several key ministries, including the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, and Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Both the Seva Teerth and Kartavya Bhavan featured digitally integrated offices, centralized reception facilities and designated public interface zones to enhance administrative efficiency and citizen engagement.